When you're drilling pocket holes with your Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 or 720 Pro, there are a few simple things you can do to ensure success. First, make sure that you have your drill bit chucked up nice and tight. Tighten that chuck down well. Second, make sure the clutch is set at the drilling position. And finally, set the drill speed to its highest setting. When you go to drill the holes, don't just put the drill bit all the way down against the wood and start drilling. It'll want to catch. Instead, back it up slightly, squeeze the trigger, let the drill get to full speed, and then start drilling. How fast to drill depends on the wood. Softwoods drill really fast, and you'll be able to complete your pocket holes quickly. Hardwoods are tougher and may take a little longer, so you'll need to drill slower. In either case, push hard enough to make progress, but never so hard that you're forcing the bit. You'll get a good feel as you get experience with the pocket hole jig and with different woods. When you get to the bottom of the pocket hole, which means the stop collar has contacted the drill guide, if you stop the drill, it's hard to pull it out. Just keep the drill running at speed as you withdraw it. The bit will come out easily and it will continue to clear the chips out of the pocket hole on the way out.